Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I did my wavy hair. So I haven't washed my hair yet, so I'm gonna go wash it now. So BRB. So I'm back. I already washed my hair and I changed my clothes, and I'm gonna wear lip balm first because today I have no filter on. So I'm wearing a lip balm from Nivea and also a lip balm from Intuit Man. So what you need is a hair dryer, of course, to dry your hair, and this hair straightener, yes, and a hairbrush, wax, pomade, or anything you have, and lastly some hairspray. So after my hair dry, I'm gonna do some section to my hair, so it's gonna be easier when I do my hair later. So usually I will do one section, but in this video I'm gonna do 3 sections because I don't want to mess up my hair in this video. So yeah, so when the iron is ready to use, we gonna start to style our hair. So I have this technique called 3-wave technique, where the iron letter will go inward, outward, and inward. Do not go more than 3 waves if you have medium hair, because it gonna look awkward later on. So personally, I love butterfly shadow hairspray because it gives me a very strong hold, but since mine finish, I'm gonna use other hairspray.